This is the oldest state park in the Pacific Northwest. So this has been a boating recreation mecca, and we've been working towards replacing the marinas here at Heyburn State Park for a very long time.
This owner came to us with a problem. They needed to build a wave attenuator that would protect this brand new marina. The real problem here was ice. We highly recommended going to this product, which is a steel pontoon attenuator that blocks that flow that comes into the marina.
Originally, they had asked for a concrete structure. We took a hard look at this. They were able to talk this through with us, and we had some suggestions for other ways to approach this. And what we ended up using is a dual pipe, pontoon type structure that provides a far more robust structure to resist these large ice forces.
The breakwater is one of the most exciting things to me about the project. In the winter time, you have ice flows. They're just pushing right at this marina. We'll experience ice flows up to 2-3 feet thick. So to protect us from those ice flows, it was really important to have a super secure, reliable breakwater that can handle it.
We went to the fabrication team early with this structure and said, what are the ways we can design to help with manufacture? All kinds of things went through this collaborative process so that what we get is a very, very efficient structure that's able to be fabricated really quite readily and accurately and consistently.
Right from the get-go, we worked with engineering, and Craig and his team were fantastic. As we started design, he asked for our opinion, asked for our ideas, and those were implemented. The end result is a design that's sort of tailor-made for our capabilities and our skill set. Behind me are some of the finished pontoon modules for the attenuator. They're made from 36-inch diameter, half-inch thick steel pipe. These are all built in jigs very carefully, so they all fit together. We are very careful about how they move with the heat from welding, and how they flex and how they warp. We pressure test all of the pontoons, so we put in about 5 or 6 PSI. There's nothing off the shelf on these units. They're all custom designed and custom made, and a lot of love goes into them.
Right now we're standing on the pipe attenuator that Bellingham Marine designed and supplied and installed here. And as you can see, there's no piling. So this attenuator is on a series of chains down to anchors in the lake bed. We had a couple locations where it needed to be flexible. So working closely with the structural engineer, we designed some hinges. They utilize aircraft tires, and they're really unique, and they allow for when ice flows come in here or wind and wave, it allows for the structure to flex in specific locations.
The tire connector solution is something that we spend a lot of time prototyping. The pavers were another example. You've got a twin pontoon pipe structure and you need a walking surface, and you want the walking surface to be flat, smooth. And again, we were able to work with our fabrication team. They were able to fabricate that tabletop and then put it on top of our pipe structure in a way that maintained that flat surface. When all those pavers went on, they fit just super precisely.
It was truly a team effort here. From day one, everybody's come together to provide to the owners, to the state of Idaho, to all the stakeholders, a beautiful facility.
Bellingham Marine is known for building a product that's going to work exactly in the location it's designed for. This twin pipe pontoon system is perfect for protecting your asset. You stand right behind our product with proper engineering.
There's a satisfaction in doing the engineering and working with people to help solve their problem. We bring a depth of knowledge and a depth of experience, and we can work with that owner, with that engineer, with that contractor to help come up with a solution that meets their needs.